In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a hyperlink without pressing Ctrl key in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, so typically if you want to open any hyperlink in Microsoft Word, you'll not be able to open it. As you can see here, I'm trying to tap and open it. I'm unable. However, if I press Ctrl key on my keyboard, now you can see the highlight option has been activated, and now if I click on it, it will open this. So if you want to always open this without using Ctrl key on your keyboard, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and tap on File, and then down below here, tap on Options. Now under Options, go ahead and click on Advanced, and then under Editing Options, look for this option, use Ctrl plus click to follow hyperlink. If you go ahead and uncheck this and then click on OK, now you can see you can now hover over any hyperlink and click on it and open it without having to press Ctrl key on your keyboard. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.